show me in Python how.
Okay, like first we are
Suppose a equal to 10,
okay.
20, 30, and
A equal
8.
to
10,
okay
20,
within the list
30,
I
and
think within the list
okay. In the list we have to write okay. 10,
10
20,
20
30, and 4. Only 4. 30 and 4.
30 okay
And 4. And we want to remove this 4. And
okay
then we
yeah
have to add entire numbers. A dot remove
like
and
entire numbers means like 10 comma 20 like etc.
not append. I mean, I need to add them.
Okay we
It is the same code that we have written yesterday
yeah
for I in range and arrange.
yes in numpy we use a range function in list we use and in python we use range function.
Why you have given sum equal to 0?
So like we're firstly we're considering like initializing sum is 0 and then we are adding every element to sum
Okay.
and then print of sum which output is 60.
Okay. Okay, now it's correct. So now we
So
have
we are
done two things here. One is we have
yes
removed the number
we are remove the
and
number and then we are adding the all the elements in the list.
okay. And Pavan, suppose if we
Yes.
want to remove the number which is in the third position, okay. So how will we do? Like we
In
have
the
here what we have done, we have removed the number directly, assigning that which
okay
number we want to remove, right?
yes
Suppose we don't know about the number, but we know the position
okay
of that number. So we want to remove or we want to delete the number which is assigned to that position. So suppose we want to remove the number which is in second position. So how we will do that? Instead of giving the exact number, we don't know what is the number. It is a x. Okay. So we want to remove that number which is on the xth position. So we know the position.
yeah
How we will remove? Don't mention the exact number. Just mention the position. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how we will remove?
4 3 I think
Okay. Okay,
let's
like
remove
this.
the index. Okay. So
So
yeah,
like
like we
in
need
this.
to like remove the third position element. So
Mhm.
directly we are assigning a of 3. So it's
A
a
of
third
3 in the
position.
list, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the difference is in previous code we have assigned the number directly in by using tuple, and here we assigned the position by using list. Okay.
So both are list. I think this
Both are
also a
list,
list. Yeah, this also list. This
but
also a
a dot
list.
remove is in bracket now,
It's
so that
so it's in
is
bracket means it's a function like to remove. Remove off is a function.
okay.
It's not a tuple.
It's not a tuple, okay.
Yeah.
But tuple is also written in bracket.
Yeah, tuples were like entering elements in a bracket. Parentheses.
Okay.
And then about the next topic, what do we need?
Here to the data analysis for we have learned. So this is same in Python. I mean, Pawan, hello.
Oh, yeah,
So it is also similar in Python. In data analysis, we also write in the same manner. In the Python, we also write in same manner.
yeah, we are right in same manner. So here also, here in that in data analysis, we don't do any we don't use any like Python. We just use pandas. I think
Okay.
we didn't do any operations also.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So like Python is the same, but only for data analysis purpose. We use some library functions
Libraries
like
like
pandas
NumPy, pandas.
and matplotlib and cburn, and also some
Yeah,
other are there. I'm not remembering. So basically, these four are mostly used: NumPy, Pandas, Cburn, Matplotlib. So
yes,
only the library function is being used for data analysis. Rest all are the coding and syntax and everything is same in the Python, right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we can move forward. Now what I'm not remembering what we need to do next. Like we have done addition, subtraction.
Mhm. And then some more reminder percentage and also do a division. All like division means just adding slash here.
Okay, so like suppose we need to create a
So we
column
need to
or
go.
a table which consists
So
of column
so
names
by
and values. How we
so
will
it,
write that?
so we write in pandas only. That's thing.
Okay, so on that purpose we have to call the pandas library, right?
Yeah, we need to like creating a data frame.
Okay. So like Python, okay, so in the point of Python, what we need to do? Like next what we have to do? There are lots of
So
things
first
I'm
learn
I'm not.
about okay. First we have to learn about like Python. So we started here list. Okay. So list it's about so we are creating a list like one. So list of map of income
It is
input
the
of
same yesterday that you have written.
yeah. So and then print of list one. So here we can directly
Here
add
also
so
we
many
have given the
numbers.
input. So in the input we can write anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we can given in a number of inputs it considered into a list.
Okay. Hmm.
So we are in list we
What?
can
Yeah, Pavan. What happen if we not writing the split?
so split we can't write split like it doesn't separate the values like we are given here is a like 1 space 0. Okay,
Hmm,
like
yes.
space we are splitting the space between them.
Okay.
So if not given space like split function it like it's all stores in a within the ones.
Okay.
Wait, I can show you.
And why you are mapping? Because it is a one line, na?
Yeah.
So we don't need to map. I think map is used
Mm,
for the two different. I mean two different numbers.
yeah, you can see what will happen here.
Now you write the same thing that you have written in the above. Yeah, 1 to 5, it's anything.
So it shows error like without using map. So we are like
List
here in
itself
list
that
we are
most
creating like with separating by a call like comma. That means like in list, so it is index 0 and then this is for index 1, this is for index 2, 5 and then this is for index 3 and this is for index 4. So this is for index 5. So we are here mapping the elements.
okay.
So that's why we
But
use a mapping function.
yeah, okay. But in above, like in the previous codes that you have written, you told that map is used for two
Like yeah,
numbers.
like two numbers or three numbers for n numbers we can use.
Yes, but here
So
we are not
in list
using.
also like so this is for zeroth index like this zeroth index element and this
Yeah,
is for
zeroth
first index.
position,
So we are
zeroth.
mapping the elements for a list. So
Okay,
zeroth position element is 1 and then first position is 0 and then second position is 5 like we are mapping the elements like we need position.
okay, understand.
So without using split we can do like 1 2 5 4. It shows error.
Okay, without split.
Yeah, and then wait, we are given like 1 5 4 6 8 like without giving space it convert into 1 5 4 6 8.
It's giving in the different space.
Yeah,
Output is
yes,
it is given in space. You told that it will not give the space.
like if we given like by using split function like given space like 1 0 5 and then it splits the element.
Mm-hmm.
So if like wait, so here we're giving a space and then running the code it shows error.
If we give the space, then we have to write to split.
Yes,
Otherwise, we don't need to write split.
yeah, and then this is the
Okay.
list function. So in list we adding the elements in a list. So by assigning
Your
sum
elements.
initialized to 0 and then adding every element to sum.
Can we write
Mm,
string in the list?
yeah, we can write string in the list. So equal to like string name, something like ABCD, and then some numbers.
No, this is not a list. Give a list command, na list, and then write in the bracket.
What?
That list one equal to list. Then you have given
Okay,
the map and everything.
okay, given. Okay, I understand. So list one is equal to list of map of. We are assigning a string. Okay, so we don't like need in function.
Okay, yes.
Dot split off and then print off list one. So
And what happen if we write a number here?
like it shows error.
Okay, it
So it,
shows
it
error.
doesn't show error. It doesn't show error. Like one is also convert into string. The type of it. Wait. Okay, at least two arguments.
That's what I am telling. Map is not have map is mean adding the two arguments or two numbers. But here we are only giving one number, na. So map is not required there.
Wait, okay.
Remove map and then you type. It will give the output. See what I am
Is for
telling.
int. Okay. And then this conversion into strings. Hmm. Like in number you discuss about like
Accessing what?
accessing data from a list.
Like by giving the index value, right?
Yeah, slicing method. So
Yes,
first one we
we
are
have.
accessing zero. Yeah.
Yes, we have done that.
So same also we can implement here.
Okay. From list one, taking the 0 and
Zero
3,
to
then it
three.
will print v from 0 to till to 3.
Yes. From till to 0 to 3. And then list about in NumPy we concatenation of also done in list. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, in NumPy we done about like concatenation also in list
Yes,
also.
yes, yes, concatenation. Two numbers in a single line.
Yeah.
So how
So
we
and
will do
then
here?
here
I
also
think
same.
print AB instead of giving print A comma B, you can give print AB, assigning something in A and then assigning something in B, and then
And then
print
print.
bracket open AB. Don't give any comma or anything. A and B, and then print output.
It shows error.
Print I like giving us quotes, then it will
Okay.
give the output. I think
Within quotes.
A and B in quotes. Yes.
Okay. It prints AB.
Now it gives out.
It prints AB. So like in Python, we printing function in print is a built-in function.
Okay.
Okay, we use double quotes. Like it prints like what's the value in double quotes for this
Okay.
variable.
Understand. Understand.
Yeah,
Okay. Hmm.
like
So how we
in
will
this list.
give this? Okay, giving in a list and then printing
A dot concat. I think
a dot concat
concat
A
one thing.
B.
Maybe I don't know. I forgot.
Okay. Print
Concat or
a dot
concatenation.
concat of B.
Yeah, it was error.
List object has no attribute concat.
It's not like it's about like concatenation.
Write it then in full,
Yeah.
or it will be like con in short.
So firstly we use so like assigning another variable c is equal to a plus b and then
It will print 3.
print of c.
It will print 30.
No, it prints
Okay.
like it is used for concatenation.
So why it's not given the 30? Because you have given A plus B, na?
So a
Okay,
plus b
okay,
like we
okay,
are given
okay.
in a list.
Okay, A is in the list. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then also we can do another thing like using for loops like for I in I in a range of mm, okay, no need range function for I in B, and then A dot append of I,
Okay.
mm, then
Append means inserting a value,
yeah,
right?
inserting a value, so it shows
Print A.
also 10 comma 20.
How it's giving that 10 comma
So
20?
first we are considering like B contains only 20 in a list. So
Hmm.
okay, so we are iterating the loop. So we are iterating the list. So first it takes I is 20, and then we are appending to A. So A dot append of 20, and then already it contains 10. So it like 10 comma 20. So A contains, so print A, it contains 10 comma 20. The output shows.
Suppose it has a B, C, D, E. Then
Okay,
how will you print the output?
it contains considering this, and then like
So
C is
five
equal to
arguments are there and having a number.
like this.
Yeah. C, D, E. Five numbers.
Okay,
E. Okay. Now how
okay,
will be the
try
output
this. Hmm, like it prints or not.
using for loop?
Using for loop, I think it's difficult. So
Okay.
it's the list contains 10, 23, comma 3,
Okay.
comma
This
4.
is given.
Yes.
Okay. This is okay. Now try for loop.
I think for loop is not possible
I think
maybe.
you need to
So like here
write
we contains
a
only
dot
two
append
list.
I plus.
So we
What?
need to like use like multiple for
Yes.
loops, I think. We need to use multiple for loops.
What happen if you write a dot append I plus or plus I
A dot append
increment?
plus I here.
Not there. I mean for this. I mean write a new line and then write a for loop and there you have to give append I
Okay.
increment.
For I think I increment like I plus is not increment. So here I plus plus is used for increment. So it contains like
It
pre-increment
will
and
not increment.
post-increment.
Increment the I.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I plus. Right, right. Let's see now.
Okay. For I in considering B,
For I
and
not
then
E. The last value is E.
A dot append of E. Okay. E
And I
append
plus
of I plus.
plus
Okay. Print of A.
print A. What will it
Invalid.
give?
Invalid syntax. So it can't increment like
Okay,
need to give separate.
okay. So for like if we want to loop, how we can do 10 and then 20 and then 3 and then 3. It's only showing 10 and 4. I
So we
and
need
E.
use multiple loops.
Multiple loops means right. We need to write more, many for loop.
Yeah.
There will be something a shortcut.
So here is the shortcut like for concatenation.
Okay, that is okay. But in for loop, we can't do more than two
We
numbers
need,
in
yeah,
concatenation.
yes.
Okay. Okay, now understood. Okay, so remove that for loop.